How to fix Samsung Wallet not downloaded in Play Store. So for that, first of all, open a Play Store and make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. Once you're here, tap on the profile icon from the top right corner. Here, scroll down a bit, or from here you can simply tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings, tap on Network Preference. Once it is expanded, tap on App Download Preference. And here, make sure you have chosen the first option that says over any network. Then tap on OK. Once you have done this, now what you have to do is you can close the Google Play Store and open up Settings in your device. From here, tap on Apps, tap on See All Apps, tap on the search icon from the top right corner and search for Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store. Once you're here, scroll down a bit, then tap on Storage and Cache. Here you have to tap on Clear Cache. And then again tap on Clear Storage, then tap on OK. Now go back. Tap on the three dot icon from the top right corner, then tap on Uninstall Updates. Once you have done that, again go back. Tap on the search icon and search for Google Play Services. Tap on it. Scroll down a bit, then tap on Storage and Cache. Here tap on Clear Cache. Now once you have done that, you can close these settings, restart your device, and then your problem will be solved. So that's the way to fix if you're not able to download Samsung Wallet in your Google Play Store. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.